How to take a white background picture of this kind of shorts. The arc of the hip in shorts is more obvious than that of pants, so I put the longest spring elbow here. Put on a 20 cm foam tube. To create a better hip curve, the shortest telescopic rod is enough below. Put on 2 foam tubes of appropriate length. Connect the cross brace like this, and fix it to the bottom of the pants leg with screws, which can stretch the pants well. Hang the hanger with fishing line. Put on the pants. Then pull the waist and hips to the widest. Tighten the round nut. Tidy up the shape of the waist and hips. Adjust the length of the hanger to just right. Hide the hanger. Add clips to the back of the pants. Then slightly stretch the hanger. Tidy up the pants. Insert the crotch of the pants to the back. To make it flatter, take a photo with a domestic phone. Slightly edit the edges. And then it's ready to take photos.